Hey, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we have some gorgeous PR from Born Pretty, so we are going to get into this beautiful package, swatching the goodies, and then we will have a watch me work. We're going to be doing a holiday look with these gorgeous products. But first, let's get into all the goodies. So first in the corner there was Born Pretty's Extension Nail Gel, which you saw me use in the previous video, and it is a non-stick. Next up, we have Jelly Thermal Gel. And you heard right, that is temperature changing polish, y'all. In the 90s, we were all about the mood rings. Now we can make mood nails. I also wanted to mention that I only played with the milky white extension gel, not the clear. So stay tuned. In a future video, you're going to see me practice with that beautiful clear. Now this is a quick extension gel. It is a milky purple with gorgeous flakes inside. This is gold flake for the heavens. This quick extension gel is so beautiful. Now, I used 2 jellies for the look that is going to be in the video a little bit later, but I will be doing a complete separate video just with these polishes, both the Flaked Magic. This is one for the books, y'all. This is a thermal glitter polish. You heard right. So they have flakes in there, and it changes. So I'm going to be swatching these for y'all so you can see the gorgeous magical shift in between temperatures. But this one has my heart. It's crimson, burgundy magic, and those flakes, they do not bulk out the nail. They lay flat and they're so beautiful. So next up is another jelly. Now this jelly is actually, it looks like similar to a cherry cola, but this is the actual jelly that I'm going to be using for the set today. So as soon as I saw it, I thought it was going to be more on the black side, but it's actually red, this stunning red. So you're going to see this all swatched in just a moment. First up, we have this Jelly Thermal Gel. This is a gorgeous nude, and it is very sheer. So when you stack it up with these, I used 3 thin coats, you get this gorgeous, gorgeous purple. But I will show you that it actually shifts in between purple and pink. Now, this is right out of the lamp, and at first you can't tell, but as I take the one out of the bottle, you can see, y'all, one is warm and one is cold. Oh my heavens, this just completely changes the game, because your manicure, especially in this holiday season, you step outside and you already have an ombre going from the heat of your fingers, and then naturally that free edge, that tip, is going to be cooler, so you have a natural ombre always. I really love thermal polish, but these ones, I am so glad to add them to my collection. So this also is a thermal, y'all. This is a glitter thermal. So we are just going to pop her in the lamp so I can show you the satisfying shift. I love the variety of products that Born Pretty sent out. Like, this is out of control. 3 unique jellies and a glitter formula, with 2 of those polishes being thermal. Y'all, do you see this? Whew. So obviously in my left hand, that is the warm, and in my right hand, that is the cold. It honestly shifts into this beautiful milky color. I am so impressed with this polish, so you are definitely going to see way more of me using this in future videos. So I'm actually just using a little rubbing alcohol, which is cool and brings you back to that cool tone. And then I'm just playing with the heat of my finger so you guys can see how fast and reactive this is. These polishes are like double agents. They come in looking all cute, and all of a sudden, they are thermal, y'all. I really love the glow that these give and the natural ombre. They are drop dead gorgeous. So this is one coat of the Jelly Nude that I best described as cherry cola. Now, one coat under this clear background is stunning, but I'm going to also show you what it looks like stacked with two thin coats. Now, in just a little while, you're going to get to see me use this specific polish in a holiday look. But instead of doing it on a clear base, I put it on a metallic base. And just you wait to see how drop dead gorgeous it is. So as you see with two coats, this is giving all of the crimson vibes, very stained glass energy. I am just a horror queen, so I'm seeing blood red, but it is a very holiday ready. Now this is the clear Born Pretty extension nail gel, and I will be using that in a future video, so make sure you have your notification bells on so you don't miss that. Now this is the quick extension gel, which is perfect for an overlay, building out your nails, or actually doing a full extension. So you can use a paper form, dual forms, all sorts of magic, and actually create the nail with this gorgeous polish. Now staying connected with the gel, I'm just going in a gentle circle motion, just down, bringing the polish down to avoid any bubbles. And this is so easy to work with. This is a beautiful builder gel. I really love the fact that it is sheer, but you can stack it. This purple is divine. I am seeing all of the milk bath nails. Whew. And these flakes are so darling. This is a one-stop shop, baby. If you don't want to do any nail art, you can just put this gorgeous quick extension gel on your phalanges and you will be good to go. So I just wanted to quickly show you some of the ingredients on the bottle, and I am so impressed with just the packaging, the products. Born Pretty, thank you so much for reaching out. I feel honored to be a part of the Born Pretty family, and these colors will leave you holiday ready. So I, of course, have to play with the thermal one more time. And then we're going to go into the holiday look using Born Pretty products. Out of all the products that you saw unboxed today, which one was your favorite, or which one would you consider trying? Now, Born Pretty was so generous to give me a code for any of my viewers that you can get 10% off. And my sisters also have codes, so I'm going to put all of those codes in the description box below. Oh my heavens, yep, thermal polish has a very special place in my heart. These are just stunning. I wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone that joined for this unboxing and swatching. But now we are going to get straight into a watch me work. Now I wanted to do a gorgeous metallic background, but the only metallic polish that I have from Born Pretty is gold, and it was not giving what I needed it to give for the base. So not saying anything about the color, it's drop dead gorgeous, but I needed a silver. So I am just going to quickly go in with Born Pretty's rubber base gel, which is very good for filling the lumps and bumps in the middle of a design to even out everything. It has a gorgeous consistency. And this is actually a brush that they sent out. It is so cold in Canada. My polishes were so viscous, so I had to kind of warm it up on the nail before it started spreading proper. But I just want to start off with a silver base, so when I put that red jelly on, you'll almost see the metallic finish shining underneath. It gives a very fun chrome effect. So now that I've laid those three, because I want to do 3 base nails this gorgeous, like shiny holiday red. And then I wanted to take out this jelly nude. This was given to me the very first PR unboxing that I did. And if you guys remember, I did a little like a bauble look with both the, the milky white extension gel and that jelly. So I already fell in love with that pink, and I knew it would be the perfect nude for this set. So I am just gonna do 2 thin coats of this, and then we're gonna get right into the look. So now that we have our base colors down, we are gonna grab our red jelly, and we are gonna make the holiday magic before your eyes. Now, the reason I call this holiday magic, the moment that jelly touches the metallic, you guys are gonna see a deep shine come through. This is so impressive, and I find that you can use all sorts of different things. You can use super cat eye, just anything with a silver base, and then when you put your jelly on top, you create something so unique and jaw-dropping. Now, I only end up using 1 coat of this to achieve the look that I wanted. When I tried to apply another coat, it took away that deep red and actually went more into a cherry merlot, and I did not want it that deep. So this is very Santa Claus, this is very baby it's cold outside, and it is giving exactly what I wanted. So we will stick with 1 coat of this beautiful jelly polish, and we're gonna move on to the French. Now the rest of this is gonna be a watch me work, and I will pop back in a little bit. Before I leave though, I did want to mention that the brush that I'm using is a liner of the double-ended brush that they sent out. So they sent out 3 individual brushes, one that almost looked like a cat tongue and liner, an oval brush and liner, and then the third is a square brush and a liner. So I was very impressed with the quality of these bristles and brushes and how it distributed the product. So everything that I use in this set today is Born Pretty, except for the beautiful silver polish that I'm using. We hit that magical point of the video. The finished set will be here in 3, 2, 1. Magic! So those hand-painted snowflakes are so darling, and it just adds something so beautiful to this holiday set. The mixture of the pinks, the reds, and the white, it just is giving me all of the holiday party vibes. This absolutely turned out exactly how I was hoping. This jelly was so easy to work with, and technically, for the majority of the color on this nail, it is all jelly. So it shows you that you can either use one coat or stack them to achieve such a beautiful set. Born Pretty, thank you so much for sending out these gorgeous goodies. There's going to be so much more Born Pretty content on this page now that I have some gorgeous goodies to play with. Before I leave, I did want to say that our codes are Raven10, Mama Does Nails 10, and Priya 10. And those will get you 10% off any Born Pretty magic that you are looking for. So hop over, grab all your essentials, and save some coin. I am so madly in love with how this turned out. Again, as I was saying, these products are so beginner friendly, so easy to work with, and you just get the most stunning finish. I can't thank you enough for coming into this double, not only a swatching and unboxing, but a watch me work. Oh, my nail family, you guys mean the world to me. I cannot wait to see you for more Advent magic. Make sure you put those bells on so I can see you in tomorrow's video. And remember, do all things with love. Mwah. See you in the next one.